shepherd shared his insight. Constant hovering causes sheep to hide. They know how to find their own way. Trust in their abilities, let them play. The wise shepherd shared his insight. Constant hovering causes sheep to hide. They know how to find their own way. Trust in their abilities, let them play. Little Bo Peep, she lost her sheep, searched high and low but couldn't sleep. Worry grew with each passing hour, sought advice from a wise old power. Sometimes less is more, that's the key. Trust in others, let them be free. Micromanaging isn't the way, step back, let instincts lead the way. Bo Peep learned a valuable lesson. Leadership isn't always a constant presence. Provide resources, guidance and care, but give them space to thrive and dare. The sheep returned, healthy and bright. Bo Peep's new approach felt so right. By doing less, she achieved much more. Her flock flourished like never before. Little Bo Peep, a shepherd so wise, learned that trust